ministers today. I will discuss the new road project with them.
Your Majesty, a great sadhu is in our kingdom these days. The minister are at that sadhu's camp.
A sadhu? A great sadhu. Who is this sadhu? I don't know anyone about him. Do you know something, Rama?
Your Majesty, I hear about this sadhu. He comes from the Himalayas. He can produce coins, holy as and fruit from the air.
And there is a long queue of people in front of a stand every day. They offer him gold coins, clothes, animals, grains, vegetables, and dry fruits.
He can cure any illness by puja, but you need to pay him a big sum for to that.
Interesting. I want to know more about this sadhu, but you can go now. I will discuss this sadhu with Raman only. Raman, what do you think? He is a real sadhu? Real sadhu never charge money for his service. We need to keep watch on this sadhu.
Yes, Your Majesty, I feel to something is wrong.
Raman, go to sadhu's camp and find out more about this sadhu.
Certainly, sir. Silence. Look there. The great sun is opening his divine eyes.
Your Holiness, please accept this sack of rice. Advise me, my lord, how I can become rich.
My dear child, I am pleased with your gift. Now don't worry, I will definitely make you rich. We need to perform a puja at your house.
Thank you, Your Holiness. I am so lucky. Please tell me what I need to do.
Dear child, now I need only 2 gold coins for the puja.
Okay, I give me 2 gold coins.
बच्चा तेरा कल्याण होगा लक्षाधिपति हो.
Your Holiness, you are the greatest son in the world. Please bless me.
Get up, my child. Tell me your problem.
My lord, I have everything in my life. I have a big house. I have a lot of money and big happy family. But do something so that I can go to heaven after my death.
It's very easy for me. Come nearer. Ouch.
I am the luckiest man in the world. I have the magical hair. This hair will take us directly to heaven. He is very holy man. This hair will build a free ticket to heaven.
I also want to go to heaven rather than become rich in this world. Your Holiness, allow me pluck a hair.
No. No.
My lord, please do not say no to your follower. Give them a key to heaven, so that he is truth about this sadhu. He only wanted your money and gifts. He can be rich by working hard. We need your earning to sadhu's life.
Oh,
This.
my 2 gold coins.
Don't worry, the king's men will arrest him. Everyone will get his money back.